Anyway, here we go. Bernie Sanders, and on the phone is former Secretary of State. Let me see if I got this lined up right. Hillary Clinton. Hello, Mrs. Clinton?
Hi, Howard.
Hi. Mrs. Clinton, I'll go to you first. It's been quite a campaign so far, starting in Iowa, where you won a narrow victory over Bernie Sanders after winning a coin toss.
Well, it's hard to beat a Jew in a coin toss because they steal the coin in midair.
Wow.
Oh,
Now, hold on, because we're going to get
Is she just trying to show a sense of humor this morning?
Yeah, well, that's a strategy, Mrs. Clinton, I know. Senator Sanders, is that you?
Yes, Howard. I couldn't just sit back and watch this goyim skank run off her stupid mouth.
He's always shouting. Change the batteries in your hearing aids, asshole.
Oh, you've been using all the batteries in America to power your dildos, you whore.
Now, hold on. Now, in light of what's going on...
Well, this is a real battle royal.
Yeah, let me try to, unlike CNN, let me steer things back to the issues. Now, first issue up. Antonin Scalia, the former Supreme Court justice, just died. Now, what are your thoughts, Mr. Sanders? Yes.
Sounds like a disease on Hillary's twat.
My twat is clean, which is more than I can say for your underwear, you incontinent bitch.
Wow. All right. Well, that's true what Senator Sanders says. Scalia does sound like a venereal disease.
Like a disease?
Yes.
All right. Well, Senator Sanders, who would you nominate?
Howard, I vow to nominate the most liberal motherfucker I can find. Right now, it's a toss-up between Michael Moore and the guy who sells me weed.
Howard, let's be real. The only person Bernie Sanders will be nominating is a Jamaican nurse to wipe his ass.
See, Hillary is smart. She's making a reference to his age. Yes, Robert.
Yes, yes.
All right. Now,
issue.
All right. Let's stick to the issues, okay?
Fine.
Fine.
Agreed. Yes.
Okay. Now, Mrs. Clinton, you've been criticized for taking large speaking fees from Goldman Sachs.
Well, yes, but I've spoken at churches, hospitals, and car
You
manufacturers.
keep saying the same things. There must be an echo inside your pussy.
How's this for an echo? Call me Jew! Call me Jew! Call me Jew!
We need a political revolution in this country. One led by a leader who isn't up to her vulva in special interest cash.
And I think we need a leader who won't die before his inauguration. Boom!
Okay. All right. I can't imagine either of you endorsing the other with all this bad blood that's going down.
Oh, talking about bad blood, check out Hillary's tampon. It's in the Smithsonian, surrounded by flies. Zing!
Sorry, I missed that. I was busy over here being electable. Tell me, how does Fidel Castro's cock taste?
Excuse me?
I'm guessing like a panini sandwich?
Oh, eat my ass, bitch.
Suck my clit.
Your Secret Service name is Kankles.
Ass munch.
Cunt face.
Jewy Jew.
All right, guys. This is the debate everyone's been waiting for. It's much like the Republicans. Remember, there's lots of things you agree on. Expanding health care, creating more jobs.
Right. And we both agreed that Robin Quivers has awesome big tits.
Yes, especially the one on the right.
You stupid bitch. Everyone knows her left tit is the best tit.
Figures you like that tit that leans to the left. Call me shithead.
I'd take either one of her titties over your dried-up old grandma flapjacks.
America hater.
You were at Trump's last wedding.
You were at the Gettysburg Address.
Make my dinner, bitch.
Do my taxes, moneylender.
Lesbo.
Limp dick.
Hairy pussy.
All right, I have to end this.
Wow.
Hey, come on, guys. All right, thank you.
If you don't interrupt, it goes right into the gutter.
Yeah, I wish you both luck. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, bye-bye. Well, there you have it.
Would it were like that?
Well, they have to get prepared for Donald Trump, and they have to, listen.
Well, I was thinking about that the other day. I'm like, Hillary better get ready.
All right.
Because Donald will take the gloves off.
All right, when...